Hey, Jonathan here with another Proto Tech Tip. Today I'm going to give you a rundown of some of the new Powdercoat and Clearcoat finishing options we stock. Here at Protocase, we make your custom enclosures and parts in as little as 2 to 3 days in as quantities as low as 1. By getting your parts in hand so quickly, that means you can meet your critical deadlines and meet those project milestones. We are your one-stop shop for custom enclosures, panels, brackets, sheet metal, and CNC machined parts. A major part of our one-stop shop finishing options is Powdercoat. This is one of our most popular finishes. Powdercoat offers great aesthetics, durability, resistance to corrosion, and offers a wide range of options for color, reflectivity, and texture. We have recently stocked a new Powdercoat options at Protocase, so let's take a quick run through them. First up, you've got even more options for white and gray Powdercoat. Federal Standard 595 White Smooth Semi-Gloss Powdercoat and C241-GR484 Dark Gray Semi-Gloss Powdercoat. Polyester Powdercoat provides great impact, mechanical, and chemical resistance. It is flexible and cost-effective. In addition, polyester Powdercoats have a low cure temperature, which makes it suitable for sensitive components. It provides a solid 1 to 3 years of UV resistance, which makes it ideal for some outdoor applications, as well as being extremely durable inside. Semi-gloss refers to the reflectivity range of the Powdercoat. Powdercoats range from high gloss to matte. With semi-gloss, this falls in the range of 35 to 70 reflectivity levels. We've covered the reflectivity ranges of Powdercoats in a previous Proto Tech Tip. Please check out the link below. Let's talk graphics. Silkscreen is a far better choice for gloss and semi-gloss Powdercoat compared to when it's applied to textured Powdercoat. The self-leveling nature of silkscreen ink is ideal for smooth textured Powdercoats, creating a clean look virtually indistinguishable by touch. But if your graphics are complex with things like gradient or overlapping colors, digital print will also look great on gloss and semi-gloss Powdercoats. You can find out more in our digital print versus silkscreen video, links in the description below. In terms of the differences between these two Powdercoats, the texture is significantly different. Federal Standard 595 White Smooth is significantly smoother than the C241-GR44 Dark Gray, which has a more textured look and feel. The next new Powdercoat we're stocking is Risland 7280 Gray Nylon 111 Powdercoat. Nylon Powdercoats have an extremely low friction coefficient, which makes it ideal for parts that will be rubbing or sliding against each other. Nylon Powdercoats will be more difficult to be scraped off compared to other Powdercoats in these situations. For example, our sister company 45 Drives makes high-capacity rack-mount storage servers. 45 Drives opts for nylon Powdercoat on their server's sliding drive rails. These drive rails will frequently have hard drives slipped in and pulled out, so the nylon Powdercoat helps to prevent the drive rails from peeling or scraping. Finally, let's talk about the Clearcoat Powdercoat options we offer. PPB-4761 Fog Clear Satin Finish and T209-CL01 Clear Low Cure Gloss Polyester Powder. Clear coats are pretty much exactly what they sound like. They are applied just like other Powdercoats, but they are transparent and leave the surface underneath visible instead of imparting a color onto them. Clear Powdercoat is an awesome option for bare metal finish parts, such as with grain finish, vibratory finish, or media blasting, as well as chem film and passivation. This helps achieving the metal look while still gaining the protective benefits of Powdercoats such as impact, abrasion, UV, and corrosion resistance. Clear coats can also be added onto the top of existing other Powdercoats to provide extra coating and to give it a nice shine. Clear coating your parts will affect your tolerances. Powdercoats all will have an effect on tolerances, and clear coating is no different. An important rule of thumb when choosing Powdercoat for metal enclosures, parts, and panels with cutouts, Powdercoat will add 3 thou to cutout. If you are opting for a Powdercoat and a Clearcoat, you should account for both thickness tolerances on your cutouts. Now, I bet you're wondering, what is the difference between these two Clearcoats? Essentially, it all comes down to texture and shine. PPB-4761 is a satin finish, so it's matte and barely distinguishable to the touch. On the other hand, T209-CL01 is a low cure gloss. This is a clear coat, is much more shiny and feels thicker to the touch. We've got a full list of every Powdercoat we stock, including these new options, on our website, which we've linked below. Whatever finishing option you choose, we're here to make the parts that you need for your specific needs. Get your next project started by reaching out to your Protocase account manager or contacting us at info@protocase.com by phone or through our website. That's all for this week's Proto Tech Tip. See you back here next week.